Hello, my lovely, beautiful viewers. Once again, a wonderful and mind-blowing speaking session. Today, we'll talk about nature. If you will see anything in your life, it's a reflection of nature. Nature reflection shows that there is some kind of things exist in our life, like whether you are a male or female, you are the part of the society. If you will see different things in this world, like trees, mountains, islands, lakes, sea, even then you will see the flow of water. Water is continually flowing. It's no such kind of tension, it has no such kind of problem when it's flowing in a rhythmic way. If there is a canal, then definitely it's a flow of the canal. If there is a river, it's continually flowing. There are lot of ups and downs in the river, but at the end he will came his exact and specific location, not far away. I am just talking about a little bit ago, a few months ago, in my area it was flood. The level of the water too high. Lot of fields have been destroyed, lot of crops has been destroyed. It's due to high speed, excessive water in the river, because a river has own ability, own capacity, own way of working, flowing the water. Why it demolish our crops? Because we are demolishing the nature. If the place of the nature, if the place of the river, we are trying to demolish through different crops. We are trying to grow different crops there. Like if I am walking here, it's a specific place for walking one place to another place. Same like this. If I will talk about river have their own place, destination, and specific area it's cover. But human being is trying to cover all the things due to help of their own resources. Like if I am walking on the footpath, if I will go beside the footpath, inner and outer, then definitely uh, it's against of our rules, it's against of our this footpath, like pedestrian way in which I am walking. Same like this, I am talking about river have their own specific area. If you go there, if you will demolish, if you will try to grow different kind of crops there, definitely when the flow of the water will be high, there will be excess water, there will be water will be exuded from the original place, then definitely water will cover other areas that are the part of this river. That time if you blame that nature are going against us, then it's our wrong idea, wrong perception, because we already aware about that this is the area of river, but we are covering the area. Instead of you have a knowledge, if we will cover, might be water will high, the river will go excessive in the amount of water, the pressure of the water will high, might be flood came in your area and your area can be destroyed due to overflowing. Actually, river coming from your mountains, your lakes, and the flow of the rivers at the end, the final destination of the river is sea. It will go there and the water will continually flowing to the sea. You can see, look there when you got a chance. It's a origin of anything, it's a destination of anything.